If you use CapCut regularly, knowing how to manage spaces can make your workflow a lot cleaner and a lot easier to organize. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage spaces in CapCut on PC, including how to change a space name, update your nickname, adjust the theme color, control auto-upload settings, invite members, and even delete a space if you no longer need it. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open CapCut on your PC and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once CapCut loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of account and workspace options, including your space management tools. After that, click on Manage Spaces. This section is where you can see all of the spaces connected to your account. If you work on multiple projects, or if you use CapCut with a team, this area is really useful because it helps you keep everything separated and organized. Now you'll see the list of your spaces. Next to each space, there should be a three-dot menu icon. Click the three dots beside the space you want to edit. From the menu that appears, choose Space Settings. This opens the settings panel for that specific space. Inside Space Settings, you can change several things. You can update the space name if you want to make it easier to recognize. You can also adjust your nickname, which is helpful if other people on the team need to identify who is who. If you want to customize the look of the space, you can change the theme color as well. That's a nice way to visually separate different workspaces or projects. You'll also see auto-upload settings. These are useful if you want CapCut to handle uploads in a certain way based on your workflow. Take a moment to review these carefully so your space behaves the way you want it to. If you're working with collaborators, there's also an option to invite members. This lets you bring other people into the space so you can work together more efficiently. Once you've finished making your changes, don't forget to click Save. This is important because none of the changes will apply until you save them. After that, your space will be updated with the new settings you selected. If you want to delete a space instead, the process is just as simple. Go back to the three-dot menu next to the space, click it again, and then choose Delete. CapCut will usually ask you to confirm before removing the space, so make sure you're deleting the correct one. Be careful here, especially if the space contains important project files or team access. And that's how to manage spaces in CapCut on PC. You now know how to open the space settings, rename a space, change your nickname, adjust the theme color, manage auto-upload, invite members, save your changes, and delete a space when needed. If this video was helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.